What's up, guys? I have some new installs for you today. It's gonna be for the interior, but before I get started, I just want to thank my homie Abel at Hub City Bros for making my sick ass hat for the channel. She looks sick. Alright, so this is what we're gonna be installing. I got some L-wire glow on Amazon and this badge push start button on Etsy. So what you're gonna need, it's gonna be a flathead screwdriver just in case to get around all the edges. Alright, for the first part, it's gonna be super easy since all I get is this alcohol strip to clean up the button, and then it's pretty simple, just putting it on. Alright, so we're having some problems because right here, as you guys can see, you can't go in this shit. I'll have to cut this out just a touch. I'm gonna have to cut this edging off and probably glue this shit right here. So you go, cause what I want to do is make it go all the way around the cluster, come back, and go through here, and back around. So never mind, I thought about it and I think I'm just gonna cut this through instead of gluing it. Just a small incision right here. Alright, so here you go. You can't even tell. I mean, I'm not even gonna notice it at all. The reason I didn't use this one inside the handrest was because as soon as I plug it in, it turns on. And with this one in the back, once I turn on the car, that's when it flips on, and that's what I want. Alright guys, it's nighttime now, so I want to show you guys how this looks in the night. I think I'm gonna change my lights, they're blue right now. Alright, see.